name is TV, and this is Flipnote Object Battle. We have 20 objects competing for $1 million Flipnote dollars. So, their first challenge is to jump across this gorge. The first 10 people that cross this gorge will win immunity, and the last 10 will be up for elimination. Go! This is easy. Wow, I didn't know he can explode. Come on, we can do it. Yeah, I won. Yes, Bottle, you win immunity. Anyone else want to jump? Whoop! Congratulations, Rubber Ball. You also win immunity. Yay! Hey, Diamond, I need to tell you something really important. What? I'm way better than you. No, I think diamonds are better than dumb stuff. Hey, Speech Bubble. Yeah? You're my friend. No, I'm not. I'm gonna push you off the cliff. I'm a brick. I'm a brick. I'm a brick. Who cares if you're a brick? Yes, I made it over. Good job, Speech Bubble. You actually made it over. Yay! I'll just jump over. Yep, Arrow, you did too. Good job. Blah, 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 blah. Hey, wait. Wanna jump to the other cliff together? No, I don't. Okay, let's do it. Seriously, I was gonna jump over. Ugh, this is taking forever. You know what? I'm just gonna tell you who's up for elimination. I'm a great host.